Hey guys, welcome back. So let me get right to it. Honestly, for short rides there should only be 5 things in your toolbox. You know, if you put more than that, it's just extra weight, believe me, especially when you're going on a climb. It's gonna make a difference. All right, let me get to number 1. Number 1 is a bike tire lever. When you have a flat tire, you don't want to be using your hand to remove the tires. So bike lever or tire lever is number 1. Number 2, you need an extra tube. For short ride, you only need 1. For long rides, you need at least 2 and a patch kit. But for short ride, just need 1. That's all. Third is a CO2 inflator. You know, if you need to inflate your tires really fast and you don't have much time, then you should have a CO2. Alright, and then number 4. Number 4 is an extra small pump. Because if that CO2 fails, at least you have a backup. I mean, it takes a while to pump the tire, but you know, at least you'll get through it. So, and then lastly, number 5 is just a set of Allen wrench for mechanical issues. You never know you're gonna need it. If you have to adjust your seat, you know, your handlebar, stuff like that, then bring a set of Allen wrenches, you know, just in case. But yeah, that's it. Those are just for short rides. Long rides is different. Long rides is different. You kind of have to prepare for, you know, more than what you usually need. Woo boy! I need to hurry. It's almost sunset. I got 5 miles left. Maybe a little over 1,000 elevation, and I should be home. All right, guys.